In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then select Face Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method to continue. Now select Start. Wait 5 seconds to choose Next in Attention pop-up, then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Name your face data however you want to. If you want to, tap on Done. And manage all of those options however you wish, but make sure this one is enabled. Unlock using face data. Without it, you won't be able to use face recognition to unlock your XIAOMI. Then go back. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!